Hey, how's it going guys? Assad here, and in this video we're gonna talk about ECMA2015 method in math object. So what it does is it returns the exponent of Euclidean numbers, also known as Naspian number, and -1, and the exponent is in this case here will be the parameter or the argument which we will be passed. So first, what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use the math object, and use the method ECPM1. And what we're gonna do is pass 0. Is expected output is 0 because so because if we do it will make exponent number of a little number is 1, and when we do that, it will say to do with -1. So when you do that, it would automatically become 0. And if we another login on a console, use Math.expm1 and pass 1. If we pass in the exp, it would be 2.718, and when we do in that, so it will do -1, so it would become 1.78, so 71 something, yeah, like that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.